Happy birthday, Leo. Happy birthday, Leo. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Leo. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Swaggy, and today it's my firstborn son birthday. Lionel is 6 today. So me and daddy, we are going to surprise Leo and gonna take him to one wonderful place where he will sure enjoy himself. Are you ready, Leo? You know that it's your birthday. You ready for an adventure? I know you're ready. So guys, mommy made a present for Leo, and this time I decided Leo has too much toys. So I bought him a nice set for his birthday. So Leo, show your outfit. Let me show you guys. Get up, Leo. No, come here. Show your outfit. Yes, looks nice though. Leo ready for his birthday. Clean and fresh and clean. Yes. So guys, we are waiting on daddy because he's so slow. Yeah, I don't know if all men spend so much time on the toilet or if Errol stays home, but trust me guys, it's not normal, so we always have to wait for him. Yeah, so we're waiting on daddy, and then we are going to one place, kiddie place, yeah, where we will celebrate Lionel's birthday. Alright, daddy got a present for Leo too. Leo, happy birthday from daddy. What's there? Open? What's that?
One of many, Leo.
Okay, open it. Open. Wow.
Where's the shirt, Leo? See the shirt? Who's that?
Spread it.
Yeah, hold it up. What is it?
Lion. What does it say?
Lionel.
What does it say? On the back.
Look at the back. Turn it around.
What does it say?
What's that? Lionel.
Lionel. Yeah.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Leo.
Happy birthday, Leo.
From daddy.
That's the shirts and socks, yeah? Then you're going to take it to play football, okay? You have more
Those are
presents coming,
shorts.
yeah? You have toys coming, don't worry.
Oh, Leo, shorts. Shorts, Leo. Why you try to tear
These are
it?
shirts, okay? And that's his socks.
Socks, yeah. And Danielle is sleepy.
So, guys, we're going to celebrate Leo's birthday.
Yep. Ta-da, guys, we're rich. No, Leo, don't climb. Do not climb it.
Go on, Leo.
You want a picture?
Go down and take a picture. Go. Leo,
Go, Daddy will take a picture. Daddy's a photographer. Cheese.
Look at that.
Alright. Why this look like a strip club? That's a strip club. Alright. Yes, Leo. King of the day. Oh, you want to take a picture? Alright. Ooh, that looks cool. Wow. I like the place. Oh. I'll go on with the prices. Yeah, guys, those are the prices. They have a lot of nice things here. Yeah, but not a lot of Leo can try, I guess, more for big people. But I want to try 3D simulator. Oh, they have even 5D. They have 5D simulator. I want to try it. How much for the simulation? Oh, 2,700. Oh, I was always wanted to try it. So guys, they play a lot of African music here. One day if African man owns the place. It's like all the Africans so far. Afrobeats, I really love Afrobeats though. I like the atmosphere, okay? That's nice.
Good evening, customers. We're asking you to please keep your mask on your face. Please keep your mask on your face. Please and thank you.
Leo, Auntie Jody is here. Leo, Auntie Jody. So, Auntie Jody come to say happy birthday to Leo, but Leo is too busy though. He's in the game. Yay! Yay! Finally they met. Leo was asking a lot about Auntie Jody, Daniel Bright, about gifts. Leo, открывай. Leo, открывай подарок.
Да, пойдем, найдем тебе пас.
Leo. So it's like some Lego stuff. Show Leo. Wow. It's a Lego. This is a Lego for you to build. To build a car. Build a car for mommy. Can build a helicopter, airplane. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, hey, Nope.
Keep it feeling to myself. Now you're the one thinking of my highest from my pocket now. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. Can't get away. On trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is in the pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away, but we don't really want. I just wanna get away. Still right next to you. You. I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you.
So guys, we left the place and now we want to buy Leo cake, but he said he does not want a cake, he wants a popcorn. So we're gonna try to find if they sell popcorn other than cinema, if places sell. But then they said they want cinema, but I'm not sure if cinema open. Yeah, cinema open, but I think it's kinda late for the cinema. So ended up in the cake shop. Leo said he wants Black Forest cake, so load idea with popcorn cause nowhere to buy popcorn. You want this? You want chocolate? You want chocolate or Black Forest? I don't understand you. Eh? What do you want? You want a chocolate? Alright. Yes, it's chocolate, Leo. So we're gonna set up the candle.
Nobody will go to the kitchen.
That was my juice.
The juice? Nobody's gonna. I don't know about your juice.
Yeah man. Лео, садись. Лео, подожди.
Yes, really, no better, no, nothing better.
Подожди, мы сначала споем.
Really, wait,
Давай.
wait, yeah?
Давай, let's sing happy birthday. Давай. Happy birthday, Leo. Happy birthday, Leo. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Lionel. Now you're making a wish. No, made a wish first. You made a wish? But don't tell nobody.
Happy birthday, Leo. Wish you many more years, okay? Yeah, you blow it.
You want again? You want it again, Errol.
No, can't do kind of two times about
You can't go? Alright. That's how it goes. Alright, guys. You made a wish? Made a wish? Shh, don't tell nobody. Happy birthday, Leo. Leo is rocking. Enjoy your birthday, Leo? Did you enjoy your birthday, Leo? Yeah? Alright. Birthday dance. Yay! Yay! Alright, guys, the place is getting quiet. That means the curfew time is getting closer, so we're going home because curfew is today.
Today, 6. And then
Six.
lockdown, 3 days.
Yeah, we're locked down again for 3 days sitting at home. So, gonna make sure today we enjoy it to the fullest. And all the people, trust me, everywhere crowded. People just trying to enjoy the last moment. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog like we did today. And see you next time. Bye.